Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, in the last lecture we have did a lecture that is for mole triangle, and from that we have got a relationship between what is the number of moles and what is the relationship between the volume of gas. And later to that we are now doing a problem that is the numerical based on number of moles. So let us do it. So there is a question which is on your screen, which says that we have to calculate the number of moles of water present in 0.65 milligram of water. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to calculate how can we calculate the number of moles of water present in this much amount of the compound, that is water. So the first thing is, what we are going to do is we are going to calculate the molar mass. But before understanding that, the water molecule has a formula of H2O, and I could write it as the molar mass or molecular weight of water in this case can be easily calculated. It can be calculated in this format, that is H plus H plus oxygen. This means I have separated the water molecule into atomic form, and I know that the atomic weight of hydrogen is nothing but 1, while that of the, again there is hydrogen, again it is 1 gram per mole, while that of the oxygen is 16 gram per mole. So therefore this is what I have got as 18 gram per mole. This is the value that we have got for molecular weight of water, that is I would write it as MW. But I have mentioned in 18 gram per mole, and the weight, that is the mass that they have provided to us is, that is the mass of water that they have provided is, that is 0.065 milligram. So what I am going to do is either I have to change this into milligram or either I have to change the mass into gram. So the thing that I'm going to do is I will change the unit of this milligram of water into gram. So this would be 0.065 into milli means nothing but 10 raised to minus 3 gram, and now I have converted into gram. So this is the mass of water, and mass can be written as W itself also. So therefore what I am doing is I am writing it in W format, that is the mass of water. W of H2 is nothing but 0.065 into 10 raised to minus 3 gram. So these are the two details that I have calculated. But the thing is, we have to calculate the number of moles of water. So what we have a formula that is for number of moles, that is weight divided by molecular weight. And since we are calculating for H2, so I could write it as weight of H2 divided by molecular weight of H2. And here itself we have calculated the weight of H2 as 0.065 into 10 raised to minus 3 gram. So I could write it here itself, 0.065 into 10 raised to minus 3 gram. While that of the molar mass of H2, again in this case the molar mass of H2 was 18 gram per mole. So this is divided by 18 gram per mole. So now if I calculate this thing, so let me calculate and let me tell you that what would be the answer of it. So the answer that I have got is 3.611 into 10 raised to minus 6 moles. So this is how I have calculated. That means if I am talking about moles, that is for 0.065 into 10 raised to minus 3 gram, it means I am talking that 3.61 into 10 raised to minus 6 is the number of mole of that water. And this is how we have calculated the number of moles. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have got an idea and you have got to how to solve this kind of numerical. So share this video with your friends, and yes, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.